Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're breaking down one of the most powerful and underrated study tools out there, concept mapping. If you ever felt like you're memorizing facts without really seeing the big picture, this strategy is for you.
So what is concept map? It's a visual tool that shows how ideas are connected. Think of it like mind map, but with more structure. You start with the main idea in the center at the top, then you branch out to related concepts, showing how everything links together. You're not just listing information, you're organizing it based on relationships.
So why does this work? It can help you move beyond memorizing into understanding. It can show you gaps in your knowledge. It can help you explain concepts in your own words, and it's perfect for exams that test application, analysis, or synthesis, not just recall. So, this technique aligns perfectly with higher levels of Bloom's taxonomy, especially understand, analyze, and create.
So how do you make a concept map? Let's break it down into simple steps. Step 1, pick a topic. For example, photosynthesis or the nervous system. Step 2, write the main idea. This goes in the center or at the top of your map. Identify key subtopics. What are the major parts, steps, or categories? Step 4 is connecting them with lines or arrows. You can use phrases or linking words to show relationships like leads to, includes, or depends on. Step 5, add details as branches. This can be definitions, examples, or supporting facts.
So, let's talk about an example of this. Another. So, your main idea is the cardiovascular system. It can branch out into the heart, blood vessels, circulation types, oxygen exchange. So, from the heart, you can go further into the atria and the ventricles. From the circulation, it can branch out into pulmonary and systemic. From the blood vessels, it can go to arteries, veins, capillaries, and etc. So, it's not just facts, it's a map of how everything fits together.
So when do you use it? Usually when you're starting a new unit, want to organize your thinking, you're reviewing for an exam, you're trying to make connections across topics, or you're stuck and need a fresh perspective. Bonus tip, try drawing a concept map from memory, no notes. That's a great way to test what you really understand.
So, concept mapping can help you stop memorizing and start analyzing and understanding connections between your study material. So, next time you're studying, grab a sheet of paper and map it out. Thank you for watching and happy mapping.